Par.
Cracking.
Do you mind if can we get video later of Brad and I pulling my shoe out of your butt?
Yeah, whatever you guys want.
Just remind me before you guys leave.
All right. Oh my God, he made it to get it there. All right, what's up, guys? This is Brandon back with you, aka B Money, aka Cloud9 Golfer. Got my hat on crooked again. I don't know why, but we're gonna be doing a match today. We're gonna keep it short and simple. We got Big K Dog here, Mr. Kawika.
Hello, everybody.
Back with me. What do we decide? We're just gonna do match play.
Match is fine.
Match play. Okay. All right, we're gonna play the front nine at Chimera. If we can ever get out here. Make sure you guys check out Breezy Apparel. Get some fly gear like this. Use my promo code Cloud9 to get 20% off your order, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and leave a comment down below. Let us know who you think is gonna win the match. All right, let's flip TC to goes first. K Dog. All right. All right, here we go, guys. Number one, par 4, 397, straight away down the hill. Heading up the right side, just over the bunker. Kind of drawing back a little bit. Gonna be close. Are you over the bunker? No. No?
Short.
Oh. Heading up the right side, just over the bunker. Kind of drawing back a little bit.
Oh boy, he came to play, huh? That's terrible for me.
What's the red flag?
Found the sweet spot on that one. That's for sure.
Good ball there.
Yeah,
Oh boy, he came to play, huh? That's terrible for me.
yeah.
Alright, one was 7-2, I think. Yeah. Mine was like a really smooth 8. I had a draw in there.
Alrighty. We're getting bird's eye view here, folks. Been pretty good, just at the right edge. Alright, front right, not bad. Just in the left rough, not a bad shot. Sitting up pretty good in the rough. It's kind of a downhill lie, so I'm just going to try and hit like a little 3/4 60-degree wedge. Try and get something there close for birdie.
93.
A little off balance, but that'll work. Alright, Kawika for birdie here from about 45 feet. It's going to break a little bit to his left, right to left putt. Probably about 2 feet or so. They played it way out there. Get up. Oh my God, he drained it. Oh, good roll.
Alright, we got Mr. No Look putting here. 9 feet. He's looking at right edge about. Ah, Drano.
On the left side, we'll take it. All right, good little start there. Nice little birdie, kind of stuck it on the left side. Broke a little bit more than I expected it to, but had decent pace on it. So take a 1-up lead through 1. Let's go. All right, number 2, par 5, 518. You know the drill. Roll's all the way right, so we're gonna take every trees hopefully and take it to Pound Town. Didn't go to the trees, but it'll work.
Great ball.
That's the left center.
Perfect.
I have to rethink their sunglasses on the head. The driver. Didn't go to the trees, but it'll work.
Great ball.
That's the left center.
Perfect.
Oh. Oh.
What?
it's far enough right, it's going to be in 5 fairway. You do that a lot on this hole, don't you?
Yeah, 2 ways to play this hole, I guess.
Yeah. It's kind of a shortcut. It's all right. Worked so good on my birthday. Let's try it out again. What the fuck is this? Citrus? Cheers. All right, what's the plan, G?
I have no idea. It's 275. Right, I'm just taking a 9. I'm just gonna lay up, I guess.
Alrighty.
This lie's effing awful.
Are we going like over the pine trees right there, straight ahead?
I'm gonna hit a cut. I'm gonna try it.
Okay. I like it. A little thin, but it'll work. Cutting around there nice.
Good layup, though.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
It'll be alright. Already got 206 here. Hit a nice little 6-iron. A little bit of a downhill lie, so I'm just trying to aim at the left edge and let it cut in there a little bit. Alright.
No?
Alright.
No? I mean, we love to see it, but
It'll be alright. Ah, that shit's hella irritating. I've been working on trying to hit the little hole off fade, but I just got a little too quick with it. Yanked it. Kind of double crossed myself. It's not bad though. It's like 20, 25 yards left. We'll be alright. Got plenty of green to work with, so get up enough for birdie hopefully. Alright, go ahead.
Alright, yeah. 91 yards here. I don't even know, 50-degree wind.
Alright.
A little low.
Have to get one close here. Looking good, about 5 feet left. Is it a little chunky though? Oh no. Front edge, should be good. Good shot. Alright, as suspected, got about 22 yards here. Got a decent amount of green to work with. Decent lie, so I'm looking to get this one pretty close, if not chip it in. I'm gonna play for it to kick right a little bit here.
Beauty. Beauty.
Man, you called it. A little more, huh?
Not bad. I'll take it. Alright, what we got here? About 15 feet? I didn't walk it off. We'll call it 15. This is for birdie to put the pressure on me. Turn. Ooh, wow. It was looking good for a minute. It just didn't turn soon enough. That's good.
Yep. 5-footer here. Knock it hard and straight. Pun intended. No look it all the way in. Love it.
Alright. Well, good left edges today, but hey, they're both birdies. We'll take it. Alright, well, it's no eagle, but birdie start. Can't really complain about that. Let's see if we can keep it up. Maybe that 29 is possible. Okay, number 3. The split fairway 1, 384. Just gonna hit a little 4-iron out there, somewhere past the 150.
Good swing.
Good swing.
Get in that bunker.
Ooh, they're soft today. Not moist. Alright, big K-Dog, what we got here? A little hybrid?
We got a 3-wood.
3-wood, alright. Good ball. Did you hit it too hard? It's right at the bunker. Oh no, that's perfect. Good shot.
Good.
Alright, we're live.
We're live at 153, away from the pin.
Okay.
I gotta play the cut every shot. It sucks.
It's looking pretty fucking good. Cutting right in there, about 5 feet left. Ooh, just a little short.
Oh, real short.
Catch a little thin, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably third group.
It's all right. Uphill putt. All right, I got 151 here. A little bit into the fan, so I'm just gonna try and play a nice little controlled 3/4 9 iron here.
Ooh, leave it out right?
Okay, we go to the bunker, so it's all right.
It's probably the plane's fault. Yeah. Ball above his feet. Gotta hit it high, land it soft. Love this for me so much.
Wow. Good shot from there, dude.
Great execution though, so hate that for me. Good shot.
Alright. Little meat on the bone, but we'll take it. Alright, we got Kawika here, in front of the green. I'm gonna go right over my mark probably. He didn't want me to move it, but we'll see. Long way up the hill, about 60 feet. If he drains it, he wins the hole. Hopping, good speed.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Wow. Alright, that was like just outside the gimme zone. See what I can do. I got about 8 feet, 9 feet for par, so we'll see what happens there.
Alright, 7 feet for the NOLA King. Oh, so good.
You know what, I'm just gonna give it yours.
Woo!
Alright guys, I gave him his par. He was about 2.5 feet. I didn't think he was gonna miss it. So we have the hole with a couple of pars. I remain 2 up. Got kind of a tough par 3 coming up. It's kind of my nemesis hole, so I kind of changed something with my swing a little bit. I noticed I was staying a little bit too far away from the ball, and I was hitting a lot of toe balls. So hopefully I can just hit something good and try and find the center of the green and at least have an easy par. If not, maybe make a nice little putt for another bird and go 3 under. Let's get it. All right, guys, number 4, we got 193 to a back left pin location. Just gonna pound a nice little 7 iron in there, a little draw. Hopefully it'll come in there real nice. Back. Might be okay though.
Get up maybe? Well, it's not terrible.
Short left. Good miss, I guess. It was a good looking ball. Right at the gut. Drawn in there. Sound like you hit it good. Alright. Center of the green. A little bit on the front side, but got a birdie putt. Okay, we got 23 yards here, just short left. Interesting pin location. We haven't had this one before. Not a little knob, so I kind of just play it just right. Oh, I chunked it. Man, that's grabby. Well, kind of got away with it. That's going to be a tough one to make a par, though. Mr. Kawika here, uphill birdie putt. Even if he doesn't make it, if he puts it close, it puts pressure on me. That thing is dead straight. Wow. Ooh.
Quick little 15-footer here. Right, left, or right. Stay up. Yep. Perfect.
All right, well, guess I got to make you putt that one. All right, we got about what, 4 feet here?
Yeah, 4.
Down the hill a little bit, save par to take the hole and to get it to 1 up or 1 down. Good putt. He wins the hole. It's comeback. Don't call it a comeback. All right, that puts him 1 down. Going into 5. He has honors now. All right, with the honors, number 5, par 4, 418. Tattoo was drawn a little bit too much. Should be on grass though. Just on the left side. Started out right in the middle and just drew a little too much. Not bad though. You hit it good. Hit it hard anyway.
Boom. That was mashed. That was all the meats right behind that. Great ball.
Woo, that one was smoked. The Tigo.
I got it.
Flew back at you.
Are you on?
Yeah, what we got?
Oh, 146.
Okay.
Got an 8 in hand. Playing a cut shot again.
All right. Let's see it. Ooh, that's all over it. Is it enough? Oh yeah. Hole high, left edge. That'll work.
The cut's working.
Yeah. About 20 feet for birdie probably. Good shot. Puts the pressure on me.
All right, here we go. Buddy's got 92 here.
Nice little 320 bomb down the middle. We can capitalize here. A little 60 degree from 92.
320, no big deal. Whatever.
It's a desert, you know, thin air. All over it. Oh, I think it's deep. Not bad though.
Hello. I'm here. We're just
yard of turf.
Dude,
That's probably why it went so deep, because I kind of compressed it too much.
I played terrible. You know, I gave away the first, what, 3 holes?
Not really. I mean, I went birdie, par. We tied it. We tied it, number 3.
Yeah, I mean, I'm even.
You only one down.
1 down, won the last hole. Feeling good.
Yeah, you mean all par too, man. More consistent than me.
That's all I can do.
I mean, with these shoes, I would have an emotional breakdown too.
Hey!
Look at these things.
Let's go Buffalo.
I'm a Chiefs fan, so, you know.
Oh.
We got a little rivalry going on right now.
Oh, I'm not going to say your quarterback's nickname.
All right. We got Kawika here from about 19 feet for birdie. I'm just inside of him up there, down the hill. I'm going to have 18 feet. See if he can knock this one close. He's kind of got a good read.
I love it. Get in there, Kawika.
Oh my goodness. Just a hair too much on the pro side. All right, that's good.
18-footer here. Looks like he's putting it right edge. Looking to turn a little bit left. Oh! I mean, if I miss, you gotta miss, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you mind if can we get video later of Brad and I pulling my shoe out of your butt?
Yeah, whatever you guys want.
Just remind me before you guys leave.
All right. All right, guys. Well, we both barely missed those birdie putts. So we have, with a couple of pars, I am still 1 up going into 6. All right, what we got? 200?
200. I got 5 iron in now.
A fiver?
Fiver. Draw her in there.
Ooh, it's looking good. Drawing just a little bit too much. Left center, probably. Nice. Kick to the right. A little bit deep, but probably about 30 feet for birdie. Good shot. Puts the pressure on me. All right, got a little 7 iron here. See if we can sling one in there.
Slingy. Oh, you too? But further left? Oh, short of the bunker.
All right, hitting so bad it's short of the bunker. Sweet. Ah, man. Well, that's unfortunate. Something about these par 3s, man. They just kind of get in my head. I need to just like come out here and hit a bucket of balls to them. I'm just not really hitting the center of the club face. I don't know if it's because I'm just trying to like pump a little bit too far of a club out there, or what. My setup's wrong or something. I don't know. I gotta figure it out though. It's gonna be tough. Gotta get up and down for par. I mean, I don't see Kawika 3-putting from 25 feet, so see what we can do. Gotta stay 1 up. All right, got a nice little tap up and down here. Gotta go over the bunker, short-sided. Depends on the knob, so gotta get this one close. All right, kicked a little bit more right than I wanted to, but should have about 6 feet up the hill for par. Not bad. Alrighty, we got about 30 feet here for the birdie to win the hole. Oh my God, he made it if he gets it there. Oh my gosh, he made it. Wow. I thought I was gonna go right to left. That thing went left to right. That's crazy. Great birdie. All right, that wins in the hole. That puts us all square through 6. Look at the puppy dog. Look at the puppy dog. Hey, you puppy dog. There you go, boy. I have a tendency to flare it on the freaking range, so it might be a good play. All right, number 7, 292 up the hill, par 4. Match all square. We got a match. If you guys haven't liked this video yet, what are you doing with yourself? Like the freaking video. Subscribe. Helps the channel a ton. We're trying to quit our jobs. Good ball. Right up the center, drawn a little bit to the left side. Should be good. Huh? Alright guys, we go to the drill here. Big risk, big reward. So we can play a little banana cut up there on the green. Back right.
Stay left, ball. Stay left. Findable? Question mark?
I don't know, I better have a
All right, mates. We bought how far is it? 117 up the hill here. It's about 125-ish. Gonna hit a little knockdown 9.
No,
No, sir.
I might be out of place, so this might be all just for show.
For show. I love that.
Yeah.
Watch me. I'm gonna show you something.
A little low draw, left side.
I didn't show you a whole lot there.
Should be on the green though. If we can't find my first ball, I mean, I'm probably just gonna give you this hole.
It's a big green.
What's that? All right, well, got it out of there. Good shot. Okay, got a fun one here, folks. Luckily, I found my ball. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna try to manufacture something.
Folks, this is really good for my program.
Got a hold of that one. All right.
Really good for my program again.
Good shot. Go hard.
Oh.
Okay, well, made a mess of this hole. Gonna have to get lucky. All right, Kawika went ahead and came up. He's about 4 feet there short of the hole, so I pretty much got to make this long bomb for par. Tie.
39.
What's that here?
Must make putt here.
Not even close. Check the flag.
Oh.
Right. I'm gonna give you this hole, I think.
Love it.
All right, folks. Well, when you gamble, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That time we lost, pretty bad. Just put myself in a terrible position off the tee box. Obviously, I got lucky with that. So 1 down, going into 8. Luckily, it's a par 5, and I've been hitting the driver decent. So see if we can take one to Pound Town and give us a short iron in for eagle. All right, number 8, par 5, straight away, 500 even. Kawika is in the lead, 1 up now. Let's see what he can do with it. Uh-oh, that is straight right. Right at the trees. I heard it hit trees. That's gonna leave a mark. All right, anywhere on the grass will be good. Oh my God, that one's so quick from the top. Lucky.
Looks like B wants to make this so interesting. I love it.
That was a good way to match. Yeah, I got hit provisional. That's probably out of bounds, huh? All right, well, we're both gonna hit provisionals. Mine hit the fence. I don't know if it went in or out, so we'll see. There it is. We're at the right center, drawn in there nice. Should get a kick left. You're right in the center of the fairway. All right, let me not try and yank this one this time.
Boom. That should kick left. That was hammered though. You cut that one so square.
Holy shit.
That was so far.
That ball was tattooed. Didn't draw it, but I was smoked. Piped it. She didn't want to be in the video, but we're gonna get her in there anyway. All right, well, I might have just gave away the match. I'm pretty sure I went into somebody's backyard. I heard it hit. Oh, hold on. All right, so we did find his ball. It kicked off the trees and down here, so big advantage here. Wow, he might have just laced it on the green. That's right at it. Where'd it go?
That was the wrong club, folks.
Where'd it go? Long?
So short.
Oh. Did you see it bounce?
I hit it with my purse.
I mean, sounds like you hit it good. He's laying 2 though. I'm hitting 4, so I gotta come up with something crazy here because I'm down 1. So if I lose this hole, it's over.
All right, how far we got, B Money?
165. Up the hill, I'm gonna hit a nice little par 9 iron. I'll try and get one close to get up and down for par. 3 off the tee. Heading 4.
I can't even add, dude. You're asking the wrong person.
Gotta hit one close. Get up and down for par.
Such a good strike. Such a good strike.
Let's go. Great shot. Thank you. I don't know about the distance, but that thing was all over it, folks. We might have a chance here. All right, folks. Well, that's what we're looking at for par. About 15 feet back down the hill. Kawika is down there about 40 yards in front of the green. So I basically have to make that and then hope he doesn't get up and down for birdie. Maybe just blades it and bogey somehow, and I'm drain that and we're all square. I don't know. I just want to at least get to 9. I don't care if I'm 1 down or even. That's looking good. Get away, get away. Wow, what a shot. Nice shot. That might be the match right there. I pretty much got to make mine now. Fuck.
All right, your boy got an 18-footer. Looks like it's gonna move slightly left to right. See if the no-look works today. Tracking. Tracking all the way.
Ooh, got a chance. Got a chance. What a penalty stroke 3 that was. No par. All right, folks. Well, I gave myself a chance. Hit an OB and make a penalty stroke eagle, basically. So this is for birdie to win the hole and to win the match 2 up. I think he's gonna make it. It's not too much to it. Slightly downhill. I don't think it moves too much. Yep, good birdie. All right, that is it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Good comeback. Great match, man. That was awesome. All right, guys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the match. Took a nice little fat dub there after, or a little L after being up 2 after 2. It just goes to show you that you just, against a good player, you can't make bogeys. You can't make mistakes like that and give away holes. Hats off to Kawika. He played awesome. What did you shoot, Kawika? Like 2 under? Yeah, he didn't have any bogeys. Yeah, that was awesome. So hats off to him. Be sure to like the video, guys. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And once again, make sure you check out Breezy Apparel and use my code Cloud9 to get 20% off. We'll see you next time, guys. Peace.